Hi everyone, my name is Michelle, property specialist of Open Doors Realty. Today, we are going to showcase our new listed property for sale in 1016 Residences located here inside Cebu Business Park, Cebu City. Taking you to this European interior design 3-bedroom unit with an area of 131 square meters with balcony, 3 toilet and bath, 1 maid's quarter with 2 parking slots. This property is currently in market for 26 million pesos. I can't wait to show you around. Come on in and take a look with me. What I really like on this unit is this nice view overlooking to the City Sports Club. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. For more information about this dream home, contact us directly.